The different parts of the microscope are shown here, but first let's talk about the difference between binocular and monocular microscopes. So monocular microscopes is kind of like what you see right here. It just has that one body tube, versus a binocular microscope has two of those body tubes that you look through. It's really important even with monocular or binocular microscopes to look with both eyes open, that way to reduce kind of eye strain. Now let's go into different parts of the microscope here. First and foremost, again, this is a monocular microscope. We see the eyepiece here with the body tube, and then we've got the arm. Now this arm is what you hold the microscope by. You always hold the microscope by the arm and the base. One hand on the arm, one hand on the base, because that's going to be where the support of that microscope is. Never hold it by, the stage or the objective lenses or anything like that, because it can break easily. Now, also we see this larger button there. That's the coarse adjustment, and then we have the fine adjustment here. Sometimes they also have on this side an actual stage adjustment to move that stage up and downwards as well. Here we have the light source. Here we have a diaphragm, which is attached to the stage with the stage clips. Now, the stage is where that actual specimen will sit, and the stage clips will keep that specimen in place. And this diaphragm actually adjusts to allow light inside the microscope. Now here we've got our objective lenses with a revolving nose piece. Typically there are three on there: high, mid, and a low power. The high power is going to have kind of a longer objective lens, whereas the low one is typically a shorter objective lens. So a good way for you to practice is to label these all by yourself. I'll leave that right here for a little while, and we can try and quiz that on your own.